Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're actually going to go ahead and spend a little bit of time in my tropical style garden. So a few days ago, I purchased an obelisk from ALDI for just $9.99. And I really need to get it in the garden, mixed with an actual £2 plant from ASDA. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So it's been a while since I've spent any time in my rear garden and things have really come on. This is my third year and I really have took it slow and steady. And I'm a strong believer for the best way to eat an elephant is a bit at a time. So before I get into actually placing the obelisk out and getting my clematis plant planted up for the season, I'm actually just going to show you where I'm actually going to feature it and why I'm putting it there. And most of all, and as always, I would really love your opinion as to my thoughts for the up and coming season, where things are going. Let me know down below. So let's get cracking. So I have spent a little bit of my winter transforming this bed just here. Now it's coming on an absolute treat. Just where the bench is, we're actually moving this out and there's going to be a pond build coming up on the channel in December this year. So my obelisk is just going to sit just behind it to add some real height to it. So I'm going to change the angle for you now. We're going to take a closer look. And like I mentioned, let me know your thoughts. And then we're going to get planted. And just before I do that, I'll talk a little bit about this obelisk. Now, I am very much cheap and cheerful on the channel. This actually cost me $9.99 from ALDI. Now, I wasn't expecting it to be quite as good as it is. Yes, it hasn't gone in the ground yet. And yes, it hasn't spent a couple of years in there, right? But from when I made it up, I couldn't believe how sort of steady and firm it was for the money. So I think this will be a really nice addition. If I'd actually thought on, I may have bought 2 or 3 so we could get some in the front garden as well. But doesn't it add instant height sort of straight away? And one of the big reasons why I'm choosing to actually place it where I am is because it's really lacking height in that part of the garden. So it'll instantly sort of do that job for me, if that makes sense. So I am literally standing where I would like my pond build the end of this year, and I'm really lacking some height just behind me. So we've got the lovely gunnerer that's doing its thing here, and then I haven't got any real height at the moment to the right hand side of me. I've got a loquat which is really struggled, but I know it will pull through, so eventually we'll get some height. I've got sambuca black lace, which again is quite small. So I really need to bring some ideas to the garden that's going to give me instant height. Yes, I have got some canna lilies, some hardy gingers, and most importantly, I've got some ricinus to give some real big height to this border. But I just kind of wanted something instant, and I feel like this will really do it. Not only that, I'm actually going to get a seating area just here. And I think that's going to look great when it comes to like the pond build and things like that. So it's all about creating a little bit of instant height, and I think for just $9.99, it's really going to do quite well. It's really going to do the part. Do I think it's going to stay there? I'm not sure. But there's no harm in trying these things, right? And I'm all about doing it on a budget. Now the clematis I'm going to go ahead and plant right in the middle of this obelisk is one that I actually got from ASDA. They were on offer for 3 for £5. So they're all doing great. I did actually sort of harden these off for a little while, so they went straight into the summer house as opposed to going straight into your garden. And with that, they're putting out some lovely new growth. And these have been out for the last few nights, and we've had a few frosts, and it looks untouched because of what I've actually done with it. So let's get this into the ground. Hopefully this will be a beautiful display. this summer. So a couple of things you can do with this. Now, it's only cost me £9.99 for the obelisk and about £1.80 for the plant. You can pick up solar lights from around £5, which will look really lovely. You can just simply tie those up to the obelisk, and again, instant height, but of an evening, which will look quite good as well. So you've got options, right? You don't have to spend a fortune, but think about where you want the height in your garden. So I'm going to put my seating area back and see what it looks like, right? I think the best tip I can give you is just keep looking at what you're doing in the garden. And what I mean by that is when you're physically doing the job, see what it looks like from that angle over there, then move over here and see what it looks like from that angle there. Make sure it fits with all the requirements, because I put this in first time, and from where I was standing, it was like an arrow straight. And then I moved over to the left-hand side, and it looked like sort of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, right? So I'm happy with it. I've got it planted up. What I will go ahead and do is I bought some 6X chicken manure from one of my local garden centres, Trentham Gardens actually, and it was £12.99 for a huge tub of it. So I think that was really good value. So I'll just simply scatter a little bit of that round the base, and hopefully Gertie won't eat too much of it. So in between my shopping vlogs, there's still certainly going to be my gardening vlogs. These are very much like a bite-sized video, if you like. So one of my favourite expressions, best way to eat an elephant is a bit at a time. And that's certainly what I've done tonight. It was just about getting out in the garden, feeling better about it. Another job ticked off, but a really positive one. So if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. And drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.